Most cookware sets sold online are overpriced gimmicks that corrode after a single season. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and a useless set. Ever struggled to find pans that heat evenly and last? This video has you covered with real picks and clear reasons. Today, I'm going to be going over the best cookware set that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Caraway Mini Cookware Set, a compact option designed for tight spaces while offering premium aesthetics and practicality. Initial impressions emphasize a compact footprint and thoughtful packaging that appeals to space-conscious cooks, apartment dwellers, and busy individuals seeking organized kitchens. The minimalist design pairs a matte ceramic exterior with a vibrant interior, projecting modern aesthetics while promising easy coordination with existing cookware. Primary users include new graduates, RV travelers, and anyone prioritizing non-stick convenience without heavy bulky gear and everyday meal prep. It uses a ceramic-coated aluminum core with tight-fitting lids and heat-resistant handles, delivering sturdy everyday performance in a compact footprint. Overall dimensions fit under most upper cabinets, and the entire set weighs the equivalent of a light grocery bag when carried. Crafted with a non-stick ceramic coating approved for contact with food, the pots and pans promise easy cleanup and efficient heat distribution. Each piece is designed for compatibility with standard cooktops and features vented lids, floating rivets, and a smooth interior surface that resists sticking. The aluminum core ensures even heat spread across the bottom and sides, while oven-safe operation is promised up to moderate temperatures. Dishwasher-friendly design simplifies cleaning, yet hand washing is often recommended to maintain the ceramic coating longevity. In simulated at-home use, even heat control prevented hot spots and eggs or delicate sauces cooked evenly with minimal stirring. During week-long kitchen tests, the exterior finish remained pristine, lids sealed securely, and handles stayed cool to the touch. Compared to the All-Clad Essentials Mini set, the Caraway Mini offers lighter weight and better storage compatibility, though it trades some heat response. The pros include easy food release, compact stacking, and lightweight handling. The cons include a higher price point and limited heat tolerance compared to all metal rivals. At number 4, we have the SENSARTE Ceramic Cookware Set. SENSARTE Ceramic Cookware Set features a sturdy aluminum core paired with a durable ceramic coating to deliver even heat and simple maintenance. The ceramic nonstick surface minimizes food cling and makes releasing pancakes and sauces effortless after each cooking session. Designed for versatile cooking, the set can withstand oven temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for finishing dishes. Cleanup is straightforward because the nonstick layer resists staining and the pans are dishwasher safe for busy weeknights. With multiple pieces included, the set covers everyday needs from sautéing to simmering while remaining light enough for easy handling. Ergonomic, stay-cool handles provide confident grip and safe maneuvering, even when transferring hot contents to the table. In direct comparison to the rival T-Fal Ultima line, SENSARTE offers comparable performance with lighter weight and simpler cleaning. The pros include durable construction, excellent heat distribution, and easy cleanup. The cons include a mid-range price point and the risk of ceramic wear with heavy metal utensil use. During real-world testing, it heated quickly, offered steady simmer, and produced even browning across common burner sizes. Food release remained smooth with proper preheating, and cleaning stayed straightforward thanks to the ceramic coating and solid rims. Storage proved practical thanks to a compact nesting design that tucks away neatly in standard kitchen cabinets. The set represents solid value for everyday cooks who want a versatile collection with reliable performance and long-term durability. Overall, SENSARTE Ceramic Cookware Set shows itself as a dependable option for daily meal prep with versatile usage and consistent results. At number 3, we have the Cuisinart Chef's Classic. From a design standpoint, this set targets the serious home chef seeking pro-style performance without the professional price tag. The ergonomic, riveted handles remain cool during stovetop use and provide confident grip when lifting heavy pots from simmering heat. Constructed with a triple-ply core, the pans promise even heat distribution while resisting hot spots that hamper delicate sauces. The exterior mirrors a polished finish, and the dishwasher-safe claim makes cleanup straightforward after weeknight meals or weekend gatherings. Even with a modest gauge, the lids seal firmly and pour spouts minimize drips, enhancing everyday cooking efficiency and cleanliness. The set is clearly designed for versatility, functioning on gas, electric, and induction cooktops while withstanding oven use. Its base construction minimizes warping and offers reliable heat retention, a trait tested through consistent simmering tests across multiple burner sizes. During real-world kitchen tests, the cookware performed with minimal hot spots, yielding uniform browning on seared steaks and vegetables. Water boils efficiently and sauces reduce evenly, reflecting responsive control when adjusting flame levels and maintaining precise simmer temperatures. The design includes clearly labeled measurements, sturdy riveted handles, and a balanced weight distribution that makes lifting full pots feel manageable. Compared to rival all-clad sets, the Cuisinart offers competitive performance for a fraction of the price while preserving essential features. In practice, the performance aligns closely with premium stainless sets, offering reliable heat without dramatic price jumps for home cooks. In a head-to-head comparison with all-clad, the Cuisinart delivers comparable searing and even browning at a substantially lower price. The pros include even heat distribution, durable stainless steel construction, and great value for money. The cons include slightly heavier weight than aluminum alternatives and a higher price relative to basic sets. At number 2, we have the T-Fal Hard Anodized Cookware Set. From the moment you unbox it, the set communicates a serious upgrade for committed home cooks seeking reliability. Its design targets everyday households who want durable, fuss-free performance during family meals and weeknight dinners. The build quality feels sturdy, with a thick base that promises even heat distribution across a wide range of stovetops. The interior uses a durable non-stick coating that ensures easy food release and simple cleanup after busy weeknights. According to the marketing, the pans are oven-safe for light finishing, enabling a seamless stovetop-to-oven workflow. Ergonomic handles stay comfortable during extended cooking sessions and stay relatively cooler than metal counterparts. In real-world testing, searing and simmering tasks show steady performance with minimal warping or hot spots. During longer cooks, the set maintains steady temperatures without dramatic temperature swings. Compared with a popular budget stainless set, the T-Fal tends to deliver more reliable heat and easier cleanup. The pros include durable non-stick, easy cleanup, and solid heat distribution. The cons include occasional lid fit issues and the need for careful hand washing to avoid wear. Performance-wise, it handles daily family meals with confidence, from eggs to sautéed vegetables, without dramatic degradation in quality. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to smooth interiors and sturdy construction that resists denting under regular use. For the asking price, this T-Fal set represents strong value and a practical upgrade over basic cookware bundles. Overall, the T-Fal Hard Anodized Cookware Set stands as a durable, versatile choice that suits most home kitchens with reliable results. At number 1, we have the Astercook Cookware Set. From the moment you unbox this 21-piece set, the design communicates versatility and a consumer-friendly approach to cookware. Ideal for families, RV living, or anyone juggling space constraints while upgrading their kitchen with modular, stackable, and lightweight cookware. The detachable handle concept hints at quick cleaning and easy storage, appealing to apartment dwellers and campers. Made of high-quality aluminum, the pots and pans promise even heat distribution and durability under regular use. The stackable design and detachable handle system are engineered to maximize kitchen storage while maintaining a secure grip when cooking. The detachable handle uses a secure locking mechanism that ensures stability while you move pans between stove and table. Overall dimensions stay compact when stacked, helping smaller kitchens and RV setups without sacrificing pan capacity. The coating is described as high-performance non-stick, free from PFOA, and designed for easy cleanup after every meal. The set is suitable for induction, gas, and ceramic hobs, making it a versatile choice for diverse kitchens. Durable aluminum construction balances heat response with lightweight, supporting uniform heating and reduced warping risk. The removable handle attaches securely and can be detached for washing, storage, or air drying to speed up cleanup. In practical tests, the non-stick surface released food easily with minimal oil, and cleanup remains straightforward after pan searing. In a direct comparison with the Gourmet Pro non-stick set, the Astercook delivers steadier heat distribution and easier cleanup thanks to its detachable handles. The pros include removable handle for compact storage, PFOA-free nonstick, and induction compatibility. The cons include premium price and maintenance for hardware.